Hello, my name is Hannes Ellmeier from Elements. In this video I want to show you the pre-configuration features of ElementsCAD. Here we see a cabinet, and if I make a double click I can go to the pre-configurations. Here we have several examples, and above left we have drawers behind a door. And if I select this pre-configuration, I can construct two cabinets, means one cabinet with the drawers, and the second cabinet is a cabinet just including a front door. I go to the button and I see here the segments. I click at the lower and the next segment, and I can make 60 degrees opening for the front. And what I get now, I get as mentioned a cabinet, and this cabinet is combined with a door. This is in the end a cabinet where everything is deselected except the front. As we see here, for this cabinet everything is deselected except the front, while the other cabinet has deselected the front and just shows the drawer and the body. In the info palette I can change the front for the cabinet, so I assign here as well a plain front. Now I want to make a duplicate with the cabinet, so I show you another example. Now I double click the cabinet and go back to the tab where I can define the visibility. Here I see the tab front, and I give a thickness with 19 millimeters. So I have again the cabinet, and here I have now in the next example a double sides. That means I can define a further cabinet that just includes two sides. This is everything the same intelligent object, but here we have everything deselected except the two sides. Go again with a double click in the cabinet details, and here I have fronts with specific cutouts for the fronts, and I can define the cutouts in this dialog, and in the end I will get the cutout for the fronts of the mainly kitchen cabinet fronts. And I can assign here the front with the segments. I have here 20 millimeters. Here I can define the size of the cutout, and I can define a radius, and this is what I get automatically. And when I rotate to the side view, here I see the cutout for the cabinet. Now I go back again to the configurations, and I show you a further example. Here we have an example with cutouts for working plates, etc. This cutout can be for kitchens, and here I can define as well the dimensions, means the thickness in the first field with 40 millimeters, then the overlapping at the front, left, right, back side. And here I have the cutout width with 440 millimeters, and furthermore I make a radius for the corners. Here I have the option for the upper bottom of the cabinet. Means here I can define if I want going through panel or just traverse. As you see, there are several options, but the intelligent object in the info palette is always the same. Now I make a cabinet with 1500 millimeters width, and I can make 3 segments, and for the second segment I make 3 drawers. Well, these dialogues are, or this version where I make these presentations in German language, but we have 4 languages, means German, English, Italian and Spanish language for the cabinet maker in the meantime. Okay, here we go. Now I go back to the cabinet and make a change. And so I have 2 different cabinets with different front definitions, and now I have both cabinets selected. Go to the ElementsCAD menu, and here I can make now a blind. That means I can define a blind with all 4 sides, and this blind is automatically linked with the cabinet. Means if I change the size of the cabinet, the blind will change as well. Well, I go back to the initial cabinet and show you once again the pre-configuration, and click it OK, and I get at once the result. In the pre-configuration section I have further examples. Here I can define if I have overlapping doors, I would say, in the horizontal direction. Means if I have a fixed middle side, I can specify that the door overlaps a middle side. So this is everything I can control here as well. And you see this cabinet has a middle side, and the front overlaps the middle side. So I have here a front with a more bright front. Yes, here is another example with a specific body where I have 4 feet in the end, and I can define the size of the feet, and here I see that as well between the feet fixed side, left and right side, is generated. So there are a lot of options with pre-selections in Vectorworks or ElementsCAD that simplifies the process enormous. And consider that you can export all cabinets you've made through an external XML file, so that's very easy to define your individual library for the cabinets. In the drilling section, here we see that I have the option to make a closest rail, and I can make a checkbox, and afterwards this item is generated. Furthermore, we have all the drillings that we can specify. But the details of the drillings we will show in another video. Thanks for watching.